Go.
Mama,
Mm-hmm.
I'm passing from you.
Yes, you pass me.
Because I'm here to come to me. And I'm here. I'm here.
Good. You can't walk in front of me, else Mama gonna fall. You're so funny. You want to walk beside me?
Yeah.
Yes, you can't walk in front of me. Look. Say morning, Fibs.
Morning, babe.
Where are we going?
School.
Yeah, come on.
Come on.
Hi Fibs, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night you guys. We are heading to school. Yes?
No, take Dr. School. No, Dr. School.
Yeah, I guess because it's the season for the start of runny nose, they asked us to bring a box of tissue for Tyler this morning. So he have his box of tissue in his hand and he have to, of course, write his name on it. So we are heading to school this morning and baby's already off to work. I woke up this morning and made babe lunch. So baby's off and now Tyler is heading. Then I'm gonna head home and get some stuff done and start the day. And get the day going because the day has already started. Yeah, so hopefully you guys having a good day on this lovely Monday morning. Tyler is having a little runny nose too, so I guess it's a good time for this box of tissue.
Stop.
Why? Nose?
Please.
You can't see Fibs. You can't see Fibs. You want to see them?
Yes.
See them there?
Please, I went to school.
Alright, go on.
After, I'm going to meet Papa. And the mama is going to work.
Right, so say see you guys later.
Like a see bye.
Go, 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 we're gonna be late. Go, go, go. You don't wanna be late. 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 You don't wanna be. You don't wanna be. You don't wanna be late.
Mama,
Yes.
turn around.
Turn around now.
Yes.
All right, you guys. I'm in the kitchen, of course. Got back from dropping Tyler from at school, and he's having a little runny nose, but I guess he's gonna have a lot of that once he's going to school. But that's okay. I am in the kitchen right now and I'm making dinner. Jump right in. After I made breakfast, I'm making dinner, and dinner today I actually go ahead and I made some ooh, the heat. I made some corn and green beans over there as veggies, and then in this pot I'm going to make some gnocchi. I haven't made this in a long time. This is like it says gnocchi or pomme de terre. Pomme de terre in English, in French, is potato. So it's like pasta potato. It's like pasta potato. I don't know how else to explain it. It just basically cook for 2 minutes and you're good to go. So I'm making this. The boy is basically gonna have this the most. I'm gonna have a little of it, and then if you guys know that, if you guys realize in everything that I've been cooking lately, we've been into filet mignon. So I'm going to make that just the way babe like it. So that's gonna be for the protein. But first, let me throw this into the pot. And I have so much to do today. So that's what gnocchi looks like. Like I said, it's like pasta potato. It's like potato and pasta in one. Don't ask me how that, but it's It's mostly like an Italian dish really, but French also eat it a lot, especially kids. So Tyler will love that. And like I said, this only cooked for 2 minutes, so this won't take much time to be ready. Now over here I'm gonna do the filet mignon. Pot is heated. I'm just throwing a little oil in it because I'm going to like brown it, cook it first, and then I'm going to add some sesame sauce to it after it's basically done, because babe loves that sauce with it. So dinner is going down right now, you guys. And if you're cooking gnocchi for the first time, you have to mix it a lot and don't let it overcook because it's easy to stick in the pot. You guys, gnocchi is finished cooking, and I always like to put some butter on it when I finish cooking it. So I just drop a little piece in it, and I'm just gonna mix that around. So yeah, that's what it looks like. To give you guys an idea who haven't had gnocchi before, it tastes like you're eating small dumplings, basically. But it's very good. It's tasty. Like I said, it tastes like you're eating small dumplings. Alright, so that's done. Now on to this one. You guys, my filet mignon is just the way I like it. Not overcooked. Just right and juicy. The juice is running from it. So now I'm going to cut it into these small pieces, and then I'm going to put it back in the pot with some sesame sauce. Look at that, it's so yummy. So good. Oh my gosh, you guys, if you guys can only taste it, so good. My gosh. I'm gonna put it back in the same pot with all this liquid in it. Same pot. So there we go. And where is it? So here we go. It's a Chinese sesame sauce. Smells so good. And I'm just gonna pour this over it and put it back onto the stove. And then I'm not even going to let this stay for a minute. Then I'm gonna package mine and take it to work with me. Alright, you guys, so that's dinner. Sesame, filet mignon, beans and corn, and gnocchi. Yes. Dinner is packaged and I'm ready to go to work, shoddy. Anyway, guys, it's just been a long day today, but I pulled through and Now I'm heading off to work, y'all. So hopefully you guys are having a good day. Whatever it is that you guys are doing today, just make the best of it and just stay positive about whatever it is that you're doing. I love you guys. I'm heading out to work, and of course you'll see the boys before you see me, so I'll catch you guys when I get back home.
Hi guys, and good evening everybody. It's the end of the day. I'm home. It was an exhausted day. But well, I guess it's everybody like this. No need to complain, nothing like this. Everybody will go to work. When they come back, they just want to sleep. But when you have a kid, you can't rest. So baby's walk, and I'm home alone with Tyler. So I'm gonna feed him. I always that's my little routine. When I pick him up at school, let him play a little bit, and then I always make him eat. So yeah, I'm sure babe show you his nice dinner. So you're gonna have some meat and some corns, green bean, and some gnocchi. I hope you're gonna eat everything, and then I might go to pick up babe and gonna have a chilly and relaxed evening. That's gonna be very important. It's all only Monday. Only Monday, bloody. It's only Monday. And I feel like Friday is so far. Oh, Friday should be just in the corner, but it's so far. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna relax, gonna feed Tyler, gonna feed myself too, and I'll catch you guys in a bit.
Like this. Yes, it's soon finished. Come like this, like this, like this. Hurry, look. It's going, it's going. It's going. It's almost done. Almost done. Almost done. See? Brush. Fast. Faster. Almost done. Look. It's almost done. Almost done. It's almost done. Oh my gosh. Almost done time. Tongue now. Tongue. Bravo! Finish. Yeah. That was fun?
Yes.
C'est fini?
Now to make a short us
Goes to
goes to
Shade Thompson.
the
Thompson.
sunset.
Say hi, Shade.
Hi, Shade.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for what you do.
Tell them what you're doing. Say I'm going to bed. See you guys tomorrow. Look at him. Look at him rolling. Alright, tell Faves tomorrow. Tell Faves bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
What a day when you got this big bed.
Palm tree, we look like we outside in the tropic.
Maybe we are outside. Hi Faves, you guys, I've been back home and put Nugget down for the night. I'm just here trying to get a little work done, but I think I'm just gonna shut down for the night and go in my bed. You know when you don't really want to sleep, but you just want to lay down and stretch out?
That's what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna lay down in the armchair and watching TV.
I don't feel like laying down in the armchair. I want to lay in my bed. So I'm just going to go in bed while you watch TV. Yeah, so we're just going to end the vlog here and give you guys the expression for today. And the Jamaican expression for today is "ramp with me." And babe, hear me use this every single day. Every time he plays with me or whatever the case is, he's saying "ramp with me, you know." Simple mean don't mess with me.
Don't ramp with me.
Yes, don't ramp with me. Simple
Don't
mean
ramp
mess
with me, man.
Because they beat you up.
Okay, I can't beat an escargot and you want to beat a human. I'm gonna transform myself in lizard.
He just said I can't beat a snail, but I want to beat a human. Really, honey? And the reason why he says he's gonna transfer himself to a lizard is because he know I hate lizard. Anyway, you guys, there you guys have the Jamaican expression for today. Now ramp with me. If you're Jamaican, say ramp with me, man. They're really serious. Don't play because you're about to get anything about to come. What's the French expression for today?
Être une patate.
You're a potato?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mean you're big, extra big, super fat. T'es une patate. Mean you're super fat. Are you a patate?
Maybe. Are you a patate?
I'm not a patate.
Okay.
Extra fat.
Anyway, you guys. Come une
patate is pomme de terre.
What was it?
These
Come
are
or
potatoes. Être.
Être.
Yeah.
Patate. Alright, you guys, there you have the Jamaican and the French expression of today. You get it?
Make sure you get it.
Alright, you guys, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the fam bam, and turn on your notification. Catch up and keep up. We love you guys, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.
Under the tropic.
Hmm?
Under the tropic.
We're in the tropics.
Yeah.
Babe said we look like we're in the tropics with the palm tree. Well, I have to bring the palm tree in to get that Caribbean feel going on in the house.
My foot is in the sand right now. The sand is warm.
Yes.
And
you need some coconut.
I close my eyes and I hear the waves. Anyway, guys, see you tomorrow.
That's all like a vacation coming up real soon. Anyway, you guys, we're out.